Welcome back, students. In this class of Mathematics 7 CNCERT, Chapter 1 Integers, Part 1, Exercise 1.1. The sixth problem is Rita goes 200 kilometers towards the east from the point A. So we'll first draw a line. So this is the line where Rita travels. So this is west is taken as negative and it is east. East I'll write in the bracket positive, and this is considered, west is considered as negative. So Rita travels here point A is there, point B is there. So first, what is the problem? Rita goes 20 kilometers towards the east from the point A. Here she goes 20 kilometers from the point to point B. Rita travels towards east. So towards east is taken as positive, therefore 20 kilometers we take it as positive. Then from she moves again, after this she moves towards west. Now this side she will move along with the same road. If the distance from here, again she moves this way, that is negative. Then Rita moves, that is negative, we have to take it as negative, that is minus 30. If the distance towards the east is taken as positive, towards the distance is taken as negative. She moves from here 30 kilometers. So positive integer is considered as towards east, negative is considered as west. Then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? By which integer you will represent our final position from A? So from where we have to find out what is the final position. First we will write down some data. Rita travels, that is equal to 20 kilometers, that is towards east is taken as positive. Then Rita travels 30 kilometers towards west is taken as negative. So it is represented positive, negative. Okay. Rita travels from A to B. From A to B towards east is how much? 20 kilometers. Then Rita travels from B, or Rita travels towards west is equal to minus 30 kilometers. Now we have to add both. So finally, distance traveled is equal to this, add these two. Rita travels from A to B and these two we have to add, that is 20 kilometers plus this one minus 30 kilometers, which is equal to 20. Then this plus becomes minus, since it is minus here we get minus 10 kilometers. So finally what we can conclude? Finally the distance traveled by is represented by negative integer, represented by negative integer, that is minus 10 kilometer. So why minus means Rita is traveling towards west, so therefore it is negative integer. So this is the solution for the sixth problem. If you have any doubt, comment, please subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.